Should Asian families buy a home under cultural pressure? Imagine your family gathering around, sharing stories, and dreaming of a future where owning a home is part of that vision. In many Asian families, buying a house is seen as a major milestone. It symbolizes success, stability, and a way to support future generations. But before jumping into a mortgage, it's important to ask if it's the right move for your financial situation. A mortgage is a loan you take out to buy a home. Usually, you pay it back over 15 to 30 years with interest. Understanding what that means is key. For example, if you borrow $100,000, you might pay back around $120,000 over the loan period, depending on the interest rate. Interest rates can vary based on your credit score and the lender, so shopping around is smart. Homeownership can help build wealth over time. As property values increase, your home can become a financial asset. But owning a home also means ongoing costs. You will need to pay property taxes, which can be a few $1,000s a year depending on your area. Maintenance costs, like fixing the roof or replacing appliances, also add up. Insurance is another expense to consider, protecting your home from damages or disasters. Financial literacy is about knowing how to manage these costs. It involves budgeting for a down payment, which is usually at least 5 to 20% of the home price. For a home costing $300,000, that means saving between $15,000 and $60,000. You also need to plan 4 monthly mortgage payments, which depend on the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term. For example, a 30-year fixed mortgage on a $300,000 home at 4% interest might have monthly payments of around $1,400, excluding taxes and insurance. Many Asian families have high household incomes and advanced education, which can support homeownership. But buying in expensive cities like Hong Kong, Singapore, or parts of the United States often means higher mortgage payments. Sometimes families pool resources across generations to afford a down payment. For example, parents might help their children with savings or use home equity from their own property to assist. Cultural expectations also play a role. Owning a home is seen as a sign of success and stability. Many families feel pressure to buy a property before or soon after marriage. This can lead to rushing into a mortgage without fully understanding the financial commitment. Multi-generational living is common, so the size and type of home needed might be larger, which can increase costs. It's wise to balance these cultural pressures with practical financial planning. Families should honestly assess their income stability and savings. Can they comfortably afford a mortgage without sacrificing savings for education or family emergencies? Budgeting for celebrations like Lunar New Year, which often involves big gatherings and gifts, is also important. These expenses can add up quickly and should be included in your financial plan. Talking openly with family members about what is affordable can help set realistic expectations. Seeking advice from mortgage professionals or financial advisors can clarify what kind of loan suits your situation. Sometimes delaying a home purchase until you are more financially prepared is the best choice. Renting for a few more years or saving more for a larger down payment can reduce stress later. In the end, owning a home is a valuable goal, but it should come from a solid financial foundation. Cultural pride is wonderful, but it's important to make decisions based on your actual financial health. Being informed about mortgages and understanding your financial products will help you buy a home that truly fits your family's needs and future.